GMAT Test Day, Mastering Test Center Procedures. Hello, future GMAT champions. Today, we're diving into one of the most overlooked yet vital aspects of the GMAT, preparing for test center procedures. Knowing what to expect can calm your nerves and let you focus on acing the test. Before you enter the test center, you should be aware of the basic protocols. This will include photo identification. Always bring a valid photo ID. This could be your passport, driver's license, etc. Ensure it's not expired. Personal belongings. Typically, you can't take anything into the test room. This includes watches, food, drinks, or notes. There will be lockers provided. Dress appropriately. Remember, test centers can be cold or warm. Dress in layers so you can adjust your comfort level. Yes, the GMAT is very thorough. Palm vein scanning. This non-invasive scan identifies you by the unique patterns in your palm. Photograph. Your photo will be taken for the test record. Smile and look confident. It's your big day. Signature. You'll sign a digital pad, acknowledging the GMAT test taker rules and agreements. Inside the test room. Raising your hand. If you face any issues during the test or need assistance, raise your hand. Breaks. The GMAT has optional breaks. Use them to relax, stretch, and hydrate. However, remember to return on time. Pencils and scratch paper. These will be provided. If you run out, raise your hand to get more. Once you finish, end of test procedures, you'll be given the option to accept or cancel your scores. Think carefully. Collect personal belongings. Retrieve your items from the locker. Don't leave anything behind. GMAT score report. If you accepted your score, you'd receive an unofficial report right away. And that wraps up our guide on GMAT test center procedures. The key is to stay relaxed, informed, and focused. Remember, knowing what to expect is half the battle. Good luck, and may your preparation lead you to stellar scores.